X is a young ambitious artist. He has everything it takes to become the artist he wants to be, but there's one thing within a set of beliefs that could ruin his aspirations because he utterly misinterpreted it. Artificial intelligence. Being afraid of artificial intelligence is nothing but irrational fear. And if you take one thing away from this video, I want you to understand that irrational fear kills art. By the end of this video, you will not only understand why AI represents just another natural cycle, you will also be able to utilize artificial creativity to become a modern Renaissance artist. To understand what is happening right now, I need to take you back to the mid-18th century where photography began its journey with inventions like the daguerreotype. These inventions were some of the first processes to produce a photographic image. Before this, if someone wanted a realistic representation of themselves, they turned to painters and artists who spent hours perfecting their skills to capture minor details, nuances, and expressions on canvases. Now a simple camera had the ability to replace their service with much more efficiency. Fear started spreading among artists. After all, why would anyone pay an artist to sit for hours to have their portrait painted when a camera could capture the likeness in mere minutes? This threat was real, especially for artists whose livelihood depended on portraiture. But an interesting thing happened. Freed from the shackles of realism and the obligation to represent reality with exact precision, artists began to explore. They started to question the very nature of art. This led to massive transformation in the art world. Movements like Impressionism emerged, followed by Cubism, led by artists like Picasso and Braque, followed by Surrealism with leaders like Salvador Dali. So let me phrase it as simple as possible. Instead of killing art, the camera became a catalyst for one of the most revolutionary periods in art history. It pushed artists to explore beyond the confines of realism, leading to the diverse, vibrant, and expansive art world we know today. And like back then, since the rise of AI, artists started panicking and boycotting AI art. And as I told you, boycotting evolution will only kill your art in the long run. Now let me introduce you to the way of the modern Renaissance artist, how to be an enigma. Calling artists gatekeepers for not liking AI is like calling runners gatekeepers because they won't let you use your car in a foot race. Well, no, the difference is art has no rules, running has. Artists who are afraid of new technology will automatically be replaced by those who embrace it. Precisely this is the first step to becoming a modern Renaissance artist. Stop being afraid and open your mind to see and embrace new technologies. Step 2. Understand that not everything is perfect. I mean, it's true. Artificial creativity will change a lot for artists. Though this doesn't change the fact that AI tools like Midjourney oftentimes use and collect data from artists without their consent or even knowledge, which means you should be aware of the cons and pros of the tools you use and then decide if you want to utilize them to enhance your art or don't want to use them. Step 3. Educate yourself. The AI revolution consists of a bunch of different small revolutions, and you need to at least broadly know each of them to decide which of them will be beneficial to you and your art. The first step for you now is to get to know each mini revolution that plays part in the modern Renaissance, to be able to detect what niche might help you. If you're a video editor, you might want to focus on Midjourney and auto creation systems. On the other hand, if you're an artist, you might want to jump in the realm of augmented reality. And next, you need to decide what mini AI revolution you want to focus on, and then dedicate yourself to the path you've chosen. Just as in traditional art, only dedication and focus will forge the path on becoming a great artist. Thus, if you aspire to be an enigma in the modern Renaissance, you need to be single-minded. And now, go create something.